In this topic, we are going to see BCD adder. So BCD adder is actually useful in the digital electronics course again and again for the gate appearing students digital electronics. So BCD adder, what we are going to do here, we have to design a combinational circuit to perform a procedure for the BCD addition. Before going to know that, we should know the procedure for the BCD addition. First, as we have discussed in the earlier classes, the BCD addition, it's mainly follow two things, two rules. The rule one is for the BCD addition, if you want to add two BCD numbers, the corresponding digits need to be added first. Okay. Next one is we have to see the result. If the result exceeds 9, or any carry generated, then it's called invalid BCD sum. Invalid BCD sum. In order to make it valid, we need certain correction. That correction is nothing else. We have to add 6 to the invalid BCD to make a valid BCD sum. So what we are going to do, in order to add two 4-bit BCD numbers, we would have particular IC. What is that? 74LS283 IC, which will add two BCD numbers directly. If any result which is greater than 9, then there will be a problem which needs actually a correction. That correction we are going to design now, and which will be accommodated with this IC to perform well and perform the BCD addition. So we'll see here. Now we are going to do, if the BCD adder sum, if you are going to add two BCD numbers of 4 digits each, then obviously the BCD sum is also a 4 digits. So which is S4, S3, S2, S1. So which is sum, BCD sum. Okay. And what we need to do mainly for the BCD sum, if you are going to design any combinational circuit, we should know the problem statement first. What is the problem statement here? If the sum exceeds 9 or any carry arises, then needs certain correction. That correction is nothing else. We have to add 6 to the invalid BCD sum. So as we know that if it's a 4-bit BCD sum, then obviously 16 number of combinations arises, which is nothing 0000, 0001, 0010, 0011, 0100, 0100, 0101, 0110, 0111, next 1000, 1001, 1010, 1011, 100, next 1101, 1110, 1111. So these are the 16 combinations has been come up actually, while we will have a 4 BCD numbers going to be added. So now what is my output for the combinational circuit which I am going to design? The output Y resembles when the sum is greater than 9. Okay. So if this is the sum, BCD sum, okay, which is greater than 9, no, so output doesn't resemble here, so output is 0. So this is also less than 9, so output is 0. This is also less than 9, output is 0. Output is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now see here, now output BCD sum is greater than 9. So my output of the combinational circuit resembles here to make the correcting my BCD sum into invalid to the valid BCD sum. Next, here also resembles, here also resembles my output, here also, here also, here also. So now what I have to do, any combinational circuit to design, first I have drawn my truth table, then to minimize, to get the minimized function, so which is actually obtained with the help of a KMF. Hence it's a 4 variable, so it's a 4 variable KMF will work up for it. So what are the variables here? S4, S3 and S2, S1. So this is S2 bar, S1 bar, S2 bar, S1, S2, S1, S2, S1 bar, S4, S3, S4 bar, S3, S4, S3, S4, S3 bar. So now I am going to put those minterms over here in the particular places 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If I am going to solve this, this is the 4 2 quad mappings. Okay. So this I got the output for my circuit. The correction circuit is actually S4, S3 and S4, S2. So this is the correction circuit if my BCD sum is greater than 9. Okay. Now, have I included here for the, as we know that rule for the BCD addition is for the two cases. One is my BCD sum exceeds 9 or any carry arises. I have not counted this one till now. So what I have to do, how to design my combination circuit, I am going to show you now. Okay. So there are two things. One is if my BCD sum exceeds 9, I have to make a circuit with these combinations. And if carry arises, what I will do, I will show you now. So what I told for the BCD addition, we need, in order to add two 4-bit BCD numbers, we will have a 74LS 283 IC, which actually perform two BCD numbers of 4 bits. So let's say A and B are of 4 bit, A4, A3, A2, A1, B4, B3, B2, B1. So for that we would have a sum which is actually S4, S3, S2, S1. So if there is no carry, directly this will be my answer. If there is no carry, as well as my sum, BCD sum is less than 9, as well as whatever the answer we got, that will be the answer. Okay. Now, as I have seen now, if greater than 9, if the BCD sum is greater than 9, so what I have to do, I have to make a circuit which perform S4, S3 and S4, S2. Okay. So see here. So and also this is having a carry. Okay. For this IC, it's having 4 outputs, 5 outputs. S4, S3, S2, S1 is the sum and carry. C is the carry. So see here, for the BCD sum is greater than 9, I would have designed a digital circuit which is S4, S3 and S4, S2. Okay. Now, this is the case I have resembled to make the combinational circuit with this. So it will now perform well if it is greater than. Now, if some carry arises, means if some carry arises, then you need to include the carry also in your digital circuit. If any of these input is 1, then I need to add. The invalid BCD with this 01106. So what I have to do here, again I have to take one more IC which is 74LS283. If the carry arises or if sum is greater than 9, so see here what is my combination, so that after that I will explain you with the case, some of the case. So what is my combination, see here. Okay, what I am doing, please look into it properly. So this is what I have grounded. So this will be always 0, 0. Okay, this will be always 0, 0. Now see here, if so case 1, I am going to study 2 cases here. Okay, I am going to add 8 with 4, BCD 8 and BCD 4. Okay, so which is 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and 0, 1, 0, 0. So which is nothing else, 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is the binary sum. Okay, so this is my 1, 1, 0 0. Now see here, it is going to check. So this is greater than 9. So see here how to know. So 1 came here, 1. So this is 1. Next 1 and 0. This is 0. And if carry is not there, let's say carry is 0. So if any of the input is 1 for this OR gate, the output is 1. So if it is 1, now it's connected here. This is 1, this is 1. So obviously the invalid sum, this is my invalid sum, 1 1 0 0 is going to add with 0 1 1 0, and finally I will get the sum with carry. So this is the circuit. Okay. So this is my BCD adder circuit. Now this actually, if my sum exceeds 9. Now if next case 2. What is my case 2? Let's say my sum is as it is less than 9, but carry gets generated. Sum is as it is less than 9, but carry gets generated. So see here, if any of the input is 1, whatever maybe it is, the output of this correction circuit, this is my correction circuit, which will give 1. Again it will go over here, and this will be 1 1, and whatever may be the sum here will be added with the 6 to get the final BCD sum. Okay. Now case 3. So case 2 is, if carry is there, then this circuit will be turned off and it will give me 1, then 0 1 1 0 is going to be added. So we will get the valid BCD. Now case 3. If I have no carry get generated as well as sum is less than 9. So let's say 1 0 0 0. So what will happen if it is less than 9? So obviously this is 0, this is 0. Okay. So this is also 0. Then output is 0. Then what will happen? This will be also 0 0. Now this 1 0 0 0 is add with the 0 to get the final. So there is no change. So this combinational circuit is not going to affect anything if my case for the BCD sum is a valid BCD, that is less than 9. So thank you all. Hope you understand the concept.